What's going on, man?
Not much.
What are you doing today?
Skydiving.
You sure that's a good idea?
I think so.
Yeah. What's this you got here in your hand?
Rubik's Cube. We're gonna try and solve it in Freefall.
Oh, you think you can do it?
I think so.
You got just under a minute.
Yeah, I know. Average around a little over 20, so.
All right.
I think I might be able to do it.
Hell yeah, man. No problem. That sounds good.
Yep.
Well, you know you don't have a parachute on, right?
No, I don't.
So what are you gonna do about that?
That guy.
That guy right there. So you trust your life to him, okay?
Yep.
You know he was mowing the yard this morning, right? He got the big promotion today.
Hopefully it paid off.
I hope so too, man. Well, anybody to say hi to or about to before we go?
My family.
All right.
Hey.
Anything you want to say before we get on the plane? All right.
Hope I do it.
We'll see you in the plane, man.
All right.
We're 6,000 feet, like almost halfway there. You ready to solve that thing?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, look at it, all mixed up. Ready to go? Alright, anything to say before we go?
Hope I do it.
I hope you do too, man. What do you say, average 20 seconds each time?
Yeah, around 20.
Alright, let's see if you can do it.
Alright.
How about you? You ready to go?
Maybe.
Maybe. Alright, we'll see you guys in the sky, alright? Alright. Alright, man. Not only did you jump out of a plane, but you saw the Rubik's Cube too. What do you think about that?
God, that was awesome.
That's incredible.
That was awesome.
Alright.
A lot harder than I was expecting, I'll admit.
You're having trouble spinning it, look like.
Yeah.
Dude, give me 5, man. That's awesome. Give the guy right there a high five. He saved your life.